the next 3 minutes, you'll learn how to play the piano accompaniment of Lose Control by Teddy Swims. Here's middle C for reference. And we'll learn the song in the original key of F sharp minor. The entire song uses one repeating chord progression. Let's learn. Starting with the left hand, we have F sharp octaves for F sharp minor. If you want, you can play single notes for the bass notes instead. Then we have A octaves for A major, D octaves for D major, C sharp octaves for C sharp sus4, and C sharp octaves for C sharp major. Now we'll cover the right hand, and we'll start by placing our hand one octave above middle C. So while playing F sharp octaves on the left, we have C sharp, F sharp, and A played together on the right. So that's F sharp minor chord. For A major, we will lift our middle finger on our right hand and play E with our index finger while keeping all the other notes. So we have C sharp, E, and A played together on the right. While playing D on the left, we'll play the root position of D major, which is D, F sharp, and A together on the right. That's D major. So that's F sharp minor, A major, and D major. While playing C sharp for C sharp sus4 on the left, we have C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp played together on the right hand. And for C sharp major, take away the middle finger on your right and play F with your index finger. So we have C sharp, E, and G sharp played together on the right. So the chord progression is F sharp minor, A major, D major, C sharp sus4, and C sharp major. This song is in 6/8 time signature, which means we have 6 beats in each bar, and each beat is an 8th note. For rhythm, we'll play our right hand chords for every 8th note like so. For each chord, we'll play our bass notes once. And for the right hand, except for the last 2 chords, we'll play our right hand 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the last 2 chords, we'll play it 6 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This chord progression is repeated throughout the entire song. Pretty easy, right? Hey, before you go, my tutorial on Die With A Smile by Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga has been getting a ton of love. Find out why by clicking right here.